Make the most of your vacation with the Dometic Sunshine AIR VW awning, our inflatable canopy designed for campervans, adding shade and shelter to your next adventure. Begin by opening the carry bag and removing the sunshine. Next, unwind the cassette awning until you reach the awning channel easily. Proceed to slide the CADA strip from the drive-away kit into the awning channel. Depending on the installed cassette awning, you may be able to fit the sunshine without a drive-away kit. Then, push the 3 figure-of-8 strips onto the CADA. Wind the cassette awning back into its housing. Using one hand to support the CADA, connect the sunshine to the figure-of-8. Locate the external deflation valve on the leg of the sunshine and ensure it's closed. Then unscrew the inflation valve and begin inflating the awning. We recommend you inflate the awning to 9 psi. Once achieved, lift the awning up and into position, ensuring the legs are vertical. Remember to close the inflation valve once you have inflated the awning. Next, secure the air pole to the ground on both sides of the awning using the pegs provided. Then peg down the 2 webbing straps located on the front of the awning. Finally, peg down the 2 smaller guidelines located on the left and right legs. Your Sunshine Air inflatable campervan awning setup is complete. Start your adventure sooner and experience more with Dometic.